instructions, and today I'm going to do some practicing. I've been practicing around a little bit all week. Not wanting to get into anything crazy, but working on some keychains and some small hooks and stocking holders and this, that, and the other. But yeah, I'm just going to bang out a little bit of a practice session here. I'm going to make a leaf keychain / maybe even personal defense. So we'll go ahead and get the forge lit up and see if we can hammer one out real quick. We'll start with a taper. This is about a 5/16 rod. Rather blunt taper. We're going to sit down probably about 3/4 of an inch behind the point. Do the same thing on the near side of the anvil, closest to me. But we're going to do it 180 degrees on the other side. So we'll go here and here. Then on the near side we'll go 180, and we'll do it here and here. metal, so it's pretty good steel. heat on it pretty good in a dark heat. Without any cracking, so. Sometimes if you're using rebar or crappier metal, beating on it this dark would cause it to crack. On the edges now, just kind of knocking the edges down. Down on the stump. Forgot to turn the camera on. But I got it twisted up over the horn. I'm just doing one, so I didn't set my jig up. I just wrapped it around the horn. So now I'm going to take it up and soften these edges up on the belt sander and clean it up on the wire wheel. Alright, so I got this one done, and it is a keychain, but it also it feels pretty good when you squeeze it like this. You can use it as a self-defense, you know, keep somebody off of you. I try to round this out as much as I can so it feels comfortable. So, I mean, there's no guarantee that it's not gonna, you know, get you too, but I mean, it's just something, and with the keys and a key ring on it, it's actually pretty comfortable. So you can. I got large hands. You had smaller hands really get in there and hold it tighter, but just kind of an idea. I've made a few of these already. I'll probably get these up on Etsy, so I don't know if I'll advertise them as any kind of self-defense, but it is an option. I mean, I've seen plenty of people who say if there's someone around them when they're getting in their car, when they're alone or something, they always kind of grab their keys and try to use it as a some sort of weapon if they had to. But yeah, just kind of a thought. I'm just out here practicing, so I'll probably make a couple more of these before dinner and just kind of wrap it up. So still trying to work on my own unique design, and I'm getting there. You know, I used the side of the rounding hammer to kind of just put a ridge in the center without actually hammering a line in there and putting the lines in on the side. So, you know, everybody has their own unique designs, so I'm just trying to figure mine out on these. So I'm just out here practicing after work and figured I'd make a video. Thanks for stopping by and checking this stuff out. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.